What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit with Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on Wednesdays. Now today we're going to talk about how you can actually transform your credit with C.W.C. on your path to a debt-free living. So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for being here. I appreciate all of you. Now, today we're going to talk about how we can actually C.W.C. Consulting Service, your trusted partner in a protection plan as well as budget management. In the next 3 minutes, we will show you how our expert guidance can help you transform your credit and pave a way to a debt-free freedom. Don't that sound good? Because it is. Okay? Now, you're feeling overwhelmed by mounts of debt and credit issues. That's okay. You're not alone. Many individuals struggle to navigate the complexity of credit repair on their own, leading a frustration and financial stress. But you don't have to go through that, okay? C.W.C. is here to help you, can guide you on this journey. Our team of expertise consults specializes in crafting a specialized credit repair strategy tailored to your unique financial situation, okay? Imagine the relief of seeing your credit score steadily increasing, okay? As inaccuracies are being disputed and negative marks are being removed from your credit report. With our guidance, you'll regain control of your credit destiny. Our holistic approach goes beyond simple than just credit repair. We provide comprehensive financial education and budgeting tools that can help you stay out of debt and make informed financial decisions for the long run. Now, who does that with a credit repair company, okay? The journey to a debt-free living is not always easy, but with C.W.C. Consulting Service by your side, you will have a dedicated partner committed to your success every step of the way, okay? Now, don't let credit issues hold you back from your life you deserve. Take the next step towards financial literacy today by contacting C.W.C. on your path to a debt-free living. Join countless of others who transform their credit and achieve financial peace of mind with C.W.C. Together, we'll help you build a brighter financial future one step at a time. Contact us to schedule your consultation and take the first step toward a debt-free future with C.W.C. We'll empower you to live your best financial life, okay? Now, don't wait. How long is it going to take you to do so? Okay? The opportunity here. And we offer more than just credit repair, okay? We have 10 other products that you actually get with this credit repair. So contact us today and empower your life now and start living the way you want to live, okay? Because with C.W.C. Consulting Service will help you repair your credit and achieve a debt-free living lifestyle. Over the next couple of months, you will experience how your credit will improve each and every month, and you will start seeing how you actually will you can refinance all your stuff and get to where you need to be, okay? So, my name is Renata, the Credit Compass. This is C.W.C. Consulting Service. Please check us out on all platforms, podcasts, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all the above, okay? So, be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next one.